Hey, who are you in English? Are you the monkey or the lion? Let's fix your English today. Monkey says, "My English is bad." But a confident speaker says, "My English is improving." Don't say, "I can't speak English." Try this instead. "I'm practicing English every day." Never compare yourself like this. "Everyone is better than me." Say this instead. "I'm learning step by step." In school, don't say this. "I am weak in studies." Be confident and say, "I'm working hard to improve." Small mistake? Teacher is angry on me. Better English is, the teacher is upset with me. Don't forget this correction. I forget my homework. Correct way is, I forgot my homework. If you didn't hear something, can you repeat again? Say this instead. Can you repeat that? One more fix? I didn't understood. Correct English is, I didn't understand. Final one? I am not good in math. Better way to say, I'm improving in math. See, small changes make your English powerful. Follow TalkWild for daily English practice.